Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Netflix account to adult. So all you have to do is, if you have a kids version of Netflix account, you can try to delete it. Of course, you can tap on setting. Here you can go to your kids profile and delete it. Here, this is the trash icon. You can delete it. And then you can go back, you can add new profile here, but do not turn on this kids profile, just leave it be. And here you can try to name it and run. By default your Facebook is the Netflix is a adult version or the normal versions. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.